Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, guys, but see all the Great Blue Heron on the banks here. And then we've got all these Cormorants in the water. This is where I'm going to catch fish. I've got that much confidence. When you see bird activity like this, they're feeding heavily on bait. Bait is where the strappers are going to be. I'm fishing for strappers. And so, you know, this is a perfect scenario. The water's kind of cool. It's 67 degrees currently. And these birds are a lot better fishermen than I am. And so they know what's going on. And I'm going to capitalize on that. And I anticipate any time to hear this drag screaming off, anytime. So just to let you know, I've got 3 blueback herring on, 3 lines with blueback herring. One is a free line, 2 of them with planer boards. And I've got 2 live rainbow trout, about 7-inch rainbow trout on. So, you know, we should catch some fish this early morning bite. So wish me luck. Let's catch fish, y'all. Woo! Man, this is a good one, y'all. Wow! Woo! Wow! This is a good fish. Wow, man, he's peeling that drag off. Wow. I'm gonna have to chase this rascal. Oh, there he is. There he is. Wow. Wow. My goodness. Woo! Yo, I want to show him to you. Oh, man. Woo! Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. I knew it. Those birds don't lie. Birds don't lie. There she goes.